Hey everyone, this is Miyash, and in this video we are going to see how you can use a tool named Trello for your agile marketing, which is marketing is always like changes. You have to be fast at it. So Trello is a project management tool, also used as a productivity, and a lot of people use it in a form of cards. It's like a sticky note, like you stick notes and you assemble that or rearrange that. You can easily do that in this tool using a lot of cards. So let's dive into it. So the first thing you need is a Gmail account, and all of them has, right? So just head to a trello.com, sign in using your Gmail ID, and you have to just click on a plus button which is create a board. We'll right now create a new board. Okay, so you have to name it. For example, I am right now naming it as a demo. I named it. Yes, we have a vlog, I mean a new board. So in this you can write things to do. This is the thing. We have successfully added a one card, and the second card is things you are doing right now. So you can write it doing. Added second card, and the last card is or second last for some. So we'll talk about that also. Things to do, doing, and done. And you can also add another term which is for review. We have added, right now we have completely done like this is what right now we have completely created a successful board. Right now I would like to add a single, like a fourth, which is for review. Basically it's only three, but you can, when you are working with teams, you will it will help you. So when you have things to do, so let's add some demo projects in it. So I've right now added some demo campaigns, which is things to do. Right now, for example, I'm editing a blog. So I just have to drag this. It is as simple. But you know what makes it as different from other tools is you can also let me add a due list, which is, for example, here it is. If this is due on, for example, March 13th, so I can add that, and even I can add time. So here it is. So you will get to know about when it is due, and it will show a red color if the day is more closer from today. So as you can see here, it's orange color. So its color automatically changes as the date is, or the due is more closer till the day right now. So it is as simple as it, right? A lot of people, what they do is they use excels and they use other editorial stuff, which sometimes make overwhelming and some burnout. So using this tool you can exactly remove all your overwhelming, be productivity, and it's agile marketing. You can always keep on changing and easy to use with teams. So not only that, but you can also add this, which is, let me show you something. Not only that, you can also add a power up. For a free account you can add a one power up. So let's add it. You just have to head over power ups and here search for calendar power up. Yes, this one. Okay, so right now we have successfully added a single power up. By using this you can easily get to know about what are the due date. For example, you can see that it's right now in a month part. You can also use that in a week part. So I think so it is more efficient than Google calendars also. Yes, a lot of tools have their own uses and they are right now winning in their own terms and conditions, but this tool may help you in doing your to-do list. This can also work as your calendar, which and easy to executable, and a lot of marketing campaigns as well. Not only marketing, but you can also use it into for your content, or if you are a student, this may help you. Hope this video was helpful for you, and don't forget to comment down whatever questions you have or queries or whatever topics or questions you have for me to create content on. I'll be happy to create a content for you, and thank you.